Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my new series, Fight Hair Loss at Home. So, if you are experiencing thinning or even hair loss, you've come to the right place. And today we're going to talk about turmeric. This is what it looks like. This is the fresh herb. Look at that beautiful color. That's, I believe, beta carotene, the same thing that's in carrots, that gorgeous color, protects your cells and helps your hair. And we're going to talk about how it does that. But before we even talk about it, if you are wearing extensions, wigs, weaves, sew-ins, just know that that might actually be contributing to the hair loss and the hair thinning. So if you really want to, find out what can you do naturally, I would start with taking those out and starting just with your natural hair, with your natural hair and natural products to help promote that hair growth that we want and to help arrest the thinning and the hair fall. Okay, so back to turmeric. Did you know that it can help you? So here's how. And I have my notes. Turmeric improves scalp health, which will promote hair growth. Okay, it reduces hair loss. How? It is an anti-inflammatory spice. And all diseases, all conditions, including hair loss and hair thinning, starts with inflammation. In the case of hair loss and hair thinning, it's the follicle that is inflamed, that is affected by the inflammation. So the turmeric will actually fight that because it's an anti-inflammatory. Okay, it's also antimicrobial, so it will kill bacteria as well, which is wonderful. You can also make a paste with the powder and apply it to your skin to help treat skin conditions like acne and so forth. But it's very good as an antimicrobial agent. Okay. Also, it helps to treat dandruff, and that beautiful color again. It contains those antioxidants which protect the cells. Okay, which protect the cells. Any food with a rich, deep hue or a color, antioxidants that protects the cells. Very, very healthy to consume. And in this case, you can even apply it directly to your scalp or even to concentrate the benefits. Okay, and again, if you consume the spice and also apply it to your hair and your scalp, you can double its effectiveness. Okay, so did I mention? Oh yeah, it calms scalp irritation. So again, if you have an inflamed scalp, yeah, it's definitely going to affect your follicles, so it calms that down. So that's also a good thing. It promotes, this is a really good one, it promotes growth by inhibiting the hormones like DHT, it's this long name, but DHT for short, it's recognized as that, which is associated with hair loss. So it will inhibit that hormone from causing your hair to fall. It also improves blood circulation. It's very tingly and peppery and spicy, so it improves blood circulation. It's actually in the ginger family, so it'll help with circulation to the follicle, helps treat dandruff, if I didn't mention that already, and scalp infections. So to wrap that up and put a bow on it, it'll create a healthy environment for your hair to grow. Okay, it also strengthens the hair to reduce breakage, and it adds shine and softness to the hair. So now, how do we use that? How do we use it? You can make a mask with equal parts turmeric powder, very accessible. I have some right now in my cupboard. So you can make a mask, equal parts turmeric powder and olive oil. You can apply it directly to the scalp, leave it on for 15 minutes, then wash it with a natural shampoo. Wash it out with a natural shampoo. You can also mix a turmeric into your shampoo for its antiseptic and microbial benefits. You can drink it as a tea, and remember to really get the benefits both orally and topically, you could do that at the same time. You can drink it, you can apply it to your scalp, okay? So you can drink it as a tea, fresh or powdered. You can add the powder to some hot water, or you can cut the fresh ones. I've been told to crush the fresh root and pour water, hot water on top, and let it steep for a few minutes. But remember to add ground black pepper so that you can actually absorb the nutrients, okay? The two go together. When you have turmeric, add black pepper. Okay, yeah, so did I mention this is how you take the tea? You can use it fresh or powdered for 5 days straight. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, each month. Okay, so you drink it 5 consecutive days in a row, and then that's your intake for the month. The next month, you do the same thing. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or whatever day you want to start, but 5 days in a row for the month, and that's it. Okay, for the best results. Yeah. Oh, and you can also add it to smoothies. Okay, so that's it. So as usual, you can Google or research the benefits for hair, for health. There's a lot of information online. So if you enjoyed this content, if you found it useful and helpful, please remember to give me a like, comment, and subscribe, and share my videos. And I will be preparing for the next one. So we'll see you next time. Okay, bye.